Hey there! Welcome to my first YouTube video on my new YouTube channel where we're going to be diving into the world of Blender, all while embracing my favorite cartoon style. So, over 7 years of experience in motion design, I'm excited to bring you guys along with me on this journey as we explore the depths of animations and 3D design in cartoon style. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the community and show your support. So let's get creative and make some amazing thing together. Today we are going to create this character. Pay attention, all of my actions will be displayed on the top left, along with the key combinations. If I forget to mention something, this will help you understand. First, let's create a cylinder by pressing Shift+A and position it as I show in the video. Make it narrower and add more edges. We need to remove the polygons on the side of the object. To do this, in Edit mode, select with side polygons, press IK and extrude them inward. Then select the polygon and delete it. After that, we need to fill these sides with quadrilateral polygons. To do this, select all the faces and press Ctrl+F and choose Grid Fill. Next, let's add the bevel modifier and adjust the parameters approximately as I showed. If you are a beginner, play around with the parameters to understand what they do. Then, let's duplicate the object in Edit mode, select all the points with AK, duplicate them with Shift+D and pull them along the Y-axis like this. Boring. Select the points from the side in the top view, but keep in mind that only the vertices we see from the top view will be selected. To select all the points, press Alt-Z. The object becomes semi-transparent, and we can select all vertices pulled along the Y-axis, like this. Let's duplicate the object again in Edit mode. Select a few vertices so that Blender understands which object we need. Press the LK to select all the points. Then press Shift+B and pull along the Y-axis. Now we need to place the entire object right at the center. In Edit mode, select all the points. Press Shift+S to set the cursor at the center of the object. Exit Edit mode, press the right mouse button and choose Set Origin to Cursor. The origin is the reference point of the object. Bring the cursor back to the center of the world coordinates with Shift+S. Select the object, press Shift+S again, Selection to Cursor. That's it. The object is now located right in the center. Creating an object again, this time a sphere. To create the eyes in Edit mode, I rotate the object on its axis by 90 degrees and replace it where I think it will look better. We need to create two materials for the eyes. In Edit mode, we selected the central vertex and press Ctrl+ several times. The first material is applied to the entire object, while the second material is applied to the selected area. We add the mirror modifier and apply it. Next, we add the mouth. We will make the mouth from a single point. We add a plane. Go to Edit mode, select all vertices and press M. to merge them into a single point. And then we move the point along the axis and press E to create a new vertex. This creates half of the mouth. We add the mirror modifier and check clipping to merge the two closest vertices. We convert the object to a curve and adjust the extrude in the geometry tab. Then we add a shrink wrap modifier to replace it on the surface of the object.
There's one out.
We convert it back to mesh and add the solidify modifier. We apply it and add the subdivision surface modifier using Ctrl+2 and smooth the object. We add one modifier, but this time along x-axis.
During. It was all
Right. First.
This is what the object looks like. We just need to add materials and lights.
Turn.
show one for the leg.
We split the screen in half and go to the shader editor mode. Before editing materials to the object, let's create a small scene and add light. We start with the render settings. We will render in cycles. Repeat the render settings from the video. We link the object to each other. We selected the first object, then the object we want to link it to, and press Ctrl+P. We do this for all objects. Then select the main object and Z-axis raises it to about this level. After that, it's necessary to press the key combination Ctrl+A to apply the new coordinates to all objects. This must be done necessarily. Create a scene, add a plane, and in edit mode press S5 to increase by 5 times. Goes to the edges, press EZ, so there would be a wall. Go back to the face and press Ctrl+B to smooth, and with scrolling the mouse wheel, we either add or remove number of few faces. Enlarge our scene in edit mode. Create a camera.
Where's the roll?
We don't have to go straight into orthographic mode like we did in the video. First, we set up the camera view in perspective mode. In order to move from scene from inside the camera, we will need to check the camera to view box in the view tab as shown in the video. When you are happy with the way things look, you need to add light. To do this, go to World Properties tab and Sky Texture. Add. Repeat all settings after me. The only thing I wanted to add, the bigger the size of the sun, the softer your shadow will be. You can start creating materials.
Very true.
The free time.
First, I will create the material of the scene. I choose the color and change the reflection blue in the roughness parameter.
Multiple. Very interesting. And with all.
I've been here. Word. Held.
Let's assign the material to our cylinder. Let's create a little more complex material for it. Let's add some noise to reflections with the noise texture node. Shift plus Ctrl and the left mouse button switch between the nodes to see the result. To automatically add the scene to nodes when you press Ctrl plus T on your keyboard, you must enable node wrangle in the settings. So, add noise texture, press Ctrl plus T. Color ramp helps adjust the contrast. Completely black means no information and therefore the reflections are maximal. Completely white is the opposite. Then add buff. This is needed to visually change the surface. The noise texture options allows us to change the appearance of the object. Play with the setting to understand how it works. Then we just add the base color.
Right.
Let's make other colors of the sides of the object. Let's select the object and assign copies of materials to them. Recall that to select the object, you need to select the vertices and press Alt. Then press plus to add a new material and then select the desired material from the list and then duplicate it. It remains only to change the base color and finish.
Right. That.
Do the same with the other side.
That's right. Sit.
First, the phone.
Click on the render. I'm happy with it, but I want more contrasting color. This can be done without leaving the Blender. Go to the tab Compositing and check the Use Nodes. We need to add a Viewer node to see the result. Add a color balance node and repeat the video.
There's one.
It's fine.
This rendering and color scheme suits me fine. Go to the second part where I will add bones and animation to our character. If you like the video, support me with likes and subscriptions. It will inspire me to make new videos. See you in the second part.